Divide 477 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down the 7 and it is 17. 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down the 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So 477 divided by 3 is 159. So this much for today and thanks for watching.